Have you ever wondered how the internet came to be? Well, let's take a trip down memory lane to the era of the telegraph. In the 1830s and 1840s, the telegraph made its grand debut, thanks to the efforts of Samuel Morse and his contemporaries. The telegraph was no ordinary invention. It was a groundbreaking technology that used Morse code to transmit messages over electrical wires, effectively bridging vast distances. It was this marvelous machine that established the concept of distant communication, forever changing the way we connect. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we encounter another revolutionary invention, the telephone. Conceived by Alexander Graham Bell, the telephone was a game-changer. It evolved communication from the simplicity of Morse code to the complexity of human voice, over long distances no less. The establishment of telephone networks marked a significant milestone in the history of networking. From Morse code to voice communication, the foundation for networking was laid. Imagine a world where computers start talking to each other. In the tech-fueled decade of the 60s, the world witnessed the development of early data networks. Among these, ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, was a standout. Created by the U.S. Department of Defense for research purposes, ARPANET was a pioneering force, a precursor to the modern internet we know today. Picture a network of machines, spread across different locations, communicating, exchanging information, setting the stage for the digital revolution that was to follow. As the 60s drew to a close, another significant development was taking shape: the concept of packet switching. This was a game-changer. Instead of sending data in a continuous stream, packet switching broke it down into smaller chunks or packets. These packets could take different routes to their destination, making the transmission process more efficient and reliable. This ingenious method laid the groundwork for modern data networking, enabling the fast and efficient communication we enjoy today. Now, let's step into the 70s. This was the era when Ethernet was developed at Xerox's Palo Alto Research Center, often referred to as Xerox PARC. Ethernet was one of the first widely adopted local area network technologies, allowing computers to communicate within a limited geographical area. Think of it as a small town where everyone knows everyone and information can be shared quickly and efficiently. But what's a network without a common language? Enter TCP/IP, the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. Developed in the 70s as the standard communication protocols for ARPANET, they provided a common language for data exchange. TCP/IP was like the grammar and vocabulary for the language of the internet, enabling diverse computer systems to communicate seamlessly. These key developments, each a building block, together laid the foundation of the internet. They transformed our world, ushering in an era of unprecedented connectivity and information exchange. From ARPANET to packet switching, Ethernet to TCP/IP, each innovation played a vital role in shaping the digital landscape. The groundwork for the internet as we know it today was firmly established. The internet exploded in the 1990s, and networking has never been the same. With the introduction of World Wide Web services and the growth of internet service providers, the commercialization of the internet was in full swing. This revolutionized the way we share and access information, bringing about a new era of connectivity. As we moved into the new millennium, the world witnessed the advent of wireless networking. Wi-Fi technology based on IEEE 802.11 standards became a household name. This advancement allowed devices to connect without the need for physical wires, expanding the reach of networks beyond our wildest dreams. Simultaneously, the transition from dial-up to broadband internet connections took place. This leap forward made data transfer speeds lightning fast and made multimedia content readily accessible. The internet was no longer a luxury, it had become a necessity. Then came the emergence of social networking sites. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn transformed the way people connect and communicate online. These platforms created a virtual world where borders ceased to exist, and the exchange of ideas became instantaneous. Around the same time, cloud technology emerged, enabling remote storage and processing of data. Services and applications were no longer confined to a physical location, but could be accessed from anywhere, anytime. This was a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. As we entered the 2010s, the Internet of Things, or IoT, came into the picture. This concept refers to the network of interconnected devices and objects, from smart appliances to sensors, which collect and share data over the internet. It's like giving your devices a mind of their own. Now we stand on the brink of yet another breakthrough. The rollout of 5G networks promises significantly faster data speeds and lower latency. This will support more advanced applications including augmented and virtual reality, taking our digital experience to the next level. And finally, on the horizon, we see the glimmer of quantum networking. This developing field explores the use of quantum entanglement and other quantum properties to enable secure and ultra-fast communication. From telegraph wires to quantum entanglement, networking has come a long way, and the future holds even more exciting possibilities.